Welcome back to ThinkCosmos. Today we're going to the edge, not just the edge of a galaxy or a black hole, but the edge of the entire universe, if there even is one. So here's the question. What happens at the edge of the universe? Is there a boundary? A wall? A cosmic curtain beyond which there is nothing? Let's start with what we know. The universe is expanding. That's not just poetic language. It's measurable. Distant galaxies are moving away from us in every direction, and the farther they are, the faster they seem to be moving. This observation led to the theory that the universe had a beginning, a point from which everything began expanding outward. We call that moment the Big Bang. But when people hear Big Bang, they often imagine it like an explosion from a single point into empty space. That's not quite accurate. The Big Bang didn't happen in space. It created space. It was space itself that expanded, and it still is. So if the universe is expanding, what is it expanding into? That's where things get weird. According to current cosmology, the universe doesn't have an edge in the way a balloon does. It's more like the surface of the balloon, except in 3 dimensions. No matter which direction you travel, you never reach a wall. Instead, you just keep going, looping through curved space that has no outer boundary. But what about the observable universe? That's the part of the universe we can actually see. The region from which light has had time to reach us since the Big Bang, about 13.8 billion years ago. Due to the expansion of space, this observable sphere has a diameter of about 93 billion light years. That's huge, but it's only what we can detect. Beyond that, there's almost certainly more. In fact, many scientists believe the universe extends far beyond the observable part, perhaps infinitely. And that means there could be galaxies, stars, and entire structures we will never ever see. Their light will simply never reach us, no matter how long we wait. So does the universe have an edge? Not in the traditional sense, but there's an edge to what we can observe. A cosmic horizon. Beyond it lies a region forever out of reach. And that leads to some strange possibilities. One idea is that the universe is finite but unbounded. Like the surface of Earth, you can travel endlessly in any direction without falling off the edge. Space could wrap around itself, go far enough in one direction, and you might, at least theoretically, end up where you started. But that's not the only theory. Some cosmologists believe the universe might be embedded in higher dimensional space. In that case, the universe could have a literal edge, a hypersurface. Just not one we can reach or observe from within. Think of a 2-dimensional being living on a flat sheet of paper. That being would have no idea if the paper curled up or ended at an edge. We might be in the same situation. Then there's the multiverse idea. According to this theory, our universe is just one bubble in a vast cosmic foam. Other universes could exist right alongside ours, with different laws of physics, dimensions, and maybe even intelligent life. In this model, the edge of our universe could simply be the place where it transitions into another one. So what happens at the edge? The most honest answer is, we don't know. We can't see it. We can't travel to it. And our best theories are still being tested and refined. But that's what makes it so fascinating. The edge of the universe isn't just a physical boundary. It's a symbol of everything we don't know yet. A frontier of curiosity, mystery, and imagination. As our telescopes get better and our theories more precise, we may get closer to understanding what lies beyond what we can see. Until then, we keep asking questions, pushing boundaries, and expanding our minds along with the universe itself. Thank you for joining us on another journey to the very limits of existence. If you love this cosmic exploration, be sure to subscribe to ThinkCosmos. More mysteries await. Until next time, stay curious and keep looking up.